Thomas and Muse news. This week I was at a SNAP meeting in London talking to OFCOM about the online safety bill. It's a law hitting platforms now, and it's got my attention because it decides what I can and what I can't do in my world. The online safety bill is a new law currently being rolled out here in the UK. It's being rolled out throughout 2025 and is intended to make the internet safer. It's got rules for all different kinds of stuff and potentially big fines or banishment for tech companies who don't comply. Obviously, it covers adult content like some of what I make, but crucially, it focuses on intent. My naked lifestyle work, it's not meant to arouse, and that's a line the bill apparently draws. I asked OFCOM about it in the meeting because they're the enforcers, but it's a lot to decipher. At the meeting, I was surrounded by people debating online safety, and I got to ask OFCOM, how do you judge intent? They talked about platforms assessing risks, and I completely support that. Let me be very clear. I do not want people looking at any adult content who shouldn't be looking at adult content. But for adult content creators and the platforms hosting it, this bill is a game changer. We've got to prove that what we're doing is legal, and platforms face penalties if they slip up. OFCOM is watching, but their message, to me at least, is that they would sooner work with people to help make things smoother. But time will tell how things actually play out, and if you host porn, you need to ensure now that your risk assessments are in good order. For people wanting to watch porn, expect more hoops to jump through. ID uploads, facial recognition, you may very well see certain sites changing or even disappearing completely. Who knows? It's a huge task and a bit of a mess. I think it will be a case of suck it and see, excuse the pun. But here's the thing, what about my naked lifestyle stuff and my creative work that uses a naked body as a canvas? It's not meant to be about turning people on, and that's never my intention with this work. They said intent is key, but it's murky. As a creator, I'm left wondering, will this bill get me or miss the point of what I do, and many others too? I know that many people will be unsure about what this means. It's all so subjective. I'm absolutely clear that my adult content fits its scope, but my creative naked work, it's not porn, it's freedom, vulnerability, and expression. The bill says intent matters, but I'm left asking, who decides? If your work is wrongfully deemed as seeking to arouse the viewer or even just a listener, as audio but not text is within the scope too. So how do you prove otherwise? I would love to know what you all think about this one. Clearly I'm not an expert, but I do hope that this has gotten you thinking. Thank you so much for watching. See you all soon. Excuse the pun.